My name is RJ Valencia. This is Shalise Franklin, and we are going to give our second presentation on updates on our project social media analysis for Florida State colleges.
So our group focus and goals right now are to gather information that's qualitative and quantitative for our 12 Florida universities for social media platforms, tracking the number of likes and reactions, comments, shares, and the type of post, whether it's a video, a photo, or a graphic. We also want to stay in constant contact with our group members on updates and plans of action. Our metrics are to redefine our metrics for certain platforms. For example, we left out shares for Instagram because we can't really see that function on the platform.
So there hasn't been a lot of different changes from our original metrics as seen right here. Of course, we did change the metrics to accommodate for each social media platform. But other than that, it is the same goal to collect data and then to repurpose it as good information to help the social media team with their strategies.
So here we have a progress report of our timeline so far. So for the 1st of January, or 29th of January, we met up with our group members to discuss our roles. On the 2nd of February, we began our analysis of the social media platforms. The 9th of March, we plan on meeting with the FSU main social media team. On March 23rd, we want to finalize our information for our report. Then on the 29th of March, we want to finish our analysis and begin working on our report. And then on April 13th, we want to finish our report and prepare for our presentation.
So our next steps are to have a meeting together. Since this is the 4th week, we are halfway through our analysis. We'll be meeting up with our members just to make sure the data collection is going well, if there's any problems or anything, and to see if actually start to see if there's any trends. Ask for about qualitative data, is there any big events that went on that raised the popularity of a certain site for a certain college. Then our next step will be to be meeting with the FSU social media team to see what strategies they are using, techniques, to see how that compares to actual real data that we'll be collecting. This will also help us with our statistical report to see if those strategies are actually working.
Next, we have each group member's role. So since there are 6 of us in the team and 12 colleges, we split it up evenly so that each of us are responsible for tracking data of 2 colleges each, just to make sure that not just one person's doing all the work. And these are all the different colleges that each person is responsible for.
Yep, and so far it has been very doable for each and every member, so that is a good plus. So for the next 3 weeks, we are planning to continue with our project. On the week of March 3rd, we're going to be collecting data. We'll be meeting with our team members again to discuss that data and to see how everything's been going, and then also set up and have the interview with Florida State social media team. On the week of March 9th, we are going to again be collecting data, but then we'll be having a discussion about the logistics for spring break. Our spring break is between March 16th. So we are decided together that we will not be collecting data during that time, for we believe that the members won't be able to collect data, as well as that we believe there won't be as much activity going on during those in those platforms. So we will not be collecting data on the week of March 16th.
Next, we have our problems and concerns. Our main problem will be that we've been having a hard time meeting up with our group members because of timing issues. We originally planned on meeting one date, but not really working out so far. This is partially our fault, as we've not been keeping up with constant communication with our group members. Our solution is that we've made a poll with our members to find out when they're most available and what day and time works for them. We'll also be sending updates every Sunday, as well as reminding of the meeting time the day before.
So during this progress, we have also done a self-assessment on how well we have been doing, and we believe to have scaled ourselves a 2 out of 3, which is on schedule. This is because we believe that all members have been collecting the data weekly. There hasn't been any interruptions or any problems. And we also have enough time to get in contact with the social media team to schedule an appointment. Again, this is a weekly social media analysis. So by the end of the 8th week, we'll have 2 more weeks to compose our report for the statistics. that is all for our presentation.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.